So, alright, guys. Um, I've got the other two packages. That's the breadboard. Yeah, it's the breadboard and the jumper wires. All the the old breadboard was like literally too small, and there was no space for me to add the keypad. So there was no space for me to like add the keypad to this jumper wire because kind of sorry to this breadboard because there ain't no space. So then I want to like buy a new one, a bigger one, and more. Okay, this is the breadboard and more jumper wires. So let's just unbox the breadboard together. I got the one that looks like the way kind of breadboards, but I got the one that's has this color, the more premium one. Hope it was inside because I thought the more premium one. I don't know if that's what's inside. The one that's okay. It is. It is black. See? That's why it like this one like more like it was kind of cut. No, was not cut. It can be detached. No, no, no. See, this one is even enough. It's good enough. It's like times two of the old one. This is the old one. Like this one is the times two now. See, it's more like the times two. Yeah, right, pretty cool. Actually, like this, that space. Okay, I can even like I don't even have to like disconnect this, but I'll have to because I don't want this thing to be like too big. That has to be small. So like the prototype, of course. So if I don't want to remove it, I can just do this. See this, the space here and this, and then just attach and click. Boom. That's it. So like if I have this one now, then the bread can take this whole space. You feel me? Yeah, I know you feel me. Yeah. And this one, so I have to buy additional jumper wires, cause like I've used up all my jumper wires. The other jumper wires I've got is the female jumper wires, the female to female. So this is the male to male. I have to buy more male to male jumper wires. Just, I wonder how this thing gets so fast. This thing is not from Nigeria. How I get it so fast is like feels cool. But this now I bought I think this 50 pieces of jumper wires. Nah, I don't have to run out of jumper wires. Huh? Damn. Damn! Damn, 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 damn. Hi. Hey, I bought male to female. This is the male to female. Damn, bro. Hey. No worry, no worry. I still got that engineering mindset for me because I will just have to like cut the mouth away. Then this will be attached to the breadboard. Click from this side. I will just cut it and just attach it manually to these holes. That's I don't have to buy new ones. I don't have to. Yeah. I don't have to. Okay. As we are good. We just trying to like this out of the box, but I'm not really good with rubber scale, but now try me out. Try me. I'm gonna destroy you. Alright, so thanks for watching guys and we'll keep you updated. See ya.